Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Cynthia Vlog guys. So today guys is mag-cooking na naman tayo at may share na naman po ako na isang menu guys. Ito ay karne and then pumpkin. With this one guys, talong, eggplant, and I have some bell pepper here guys. So, ito po yung karne ko guys. And this one, onions, cubes, tomato, garlic, and pumpkin. So guys, start na po tayo sa ating sa ayan, mahilig po ako magluto guys. Maglagay tayo ng oil guys. Aw, parang ang dami. And guys, painitin lang po natin. And then, lagay po natin yung sibuyas. And then, yung karne guys. Igisa po natin. I think mainit na yung mantika guys. So, lagay po natin yung garlic. More garlic. Ginger. And then, sibuyas. Ayan guys. Sunod po natin yung karne guys. Ayan. Then, haluin lang po natin guys. Check po natin guys kung ano na. Kung nagisa-gisa na siya. Gisa-gisa. Ayan guys, nagisa na po siya. Pwede na rin po natin ilagay yung mga dapat natin ilagay guys. So, ito guys, our cubes. Ito natin yung tomato. Pangay, ang bango guys. Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango. Guys, look at this color. But it's yummy color guys. So we'll put now the pumpkin guys. Ayan. Ito na siya guys. Maglagay po tayo ng konting water guys para maluto yung karne at saka yung pumpkin. Ayan guys. Masustansya to guys. Pumpkin, pampalilaw ng mata. Ayan lang po natin ito guys. Ayan, takpan muna natin. Nag-gloves po tayo. Guys, check po natin yung luto natin kung luto na po. Ayan guys, wow. Wow. Really, really wow guys. Ayan, pwede na po natin ilagay yung talong guys. And then yung capsicum. Galing ako mag-experiment ng mga luto-luto guys. Basta may iluluto. Ayan, mashallah. look nice. Ito na siya guys. Meron din po akong tatlong sili dito guys. Lagay po natin sa ibabaw niya. Ayan. Design. Ginisang pumpkin with beef guys. And eggplants. And guys. I think luto na siya guys. So, look at this guys. It's too yummy. So, pwede na po natin patayin guys dahil luto na. Ayan guys. Thank you po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin guys. Nagpapasalamat po ako ng marami. And ito lang po guys, may share ko na video for today. At may share ko din po na ulam for today guys. It's for our lunch guys, this one. So thank you guys for everything. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments guys. God bless you all. Bye bye.